Hi, I'm Jin. Mm, did you like rice or noodles? I don't know how about you, but I like noodles because when I live in my country, I my family eat noodles every day. Maybe 1 month I just eat one rice, so I like noodles. And have a cream and chocolate. Which one do you like? I will eat cream because I like sweet food, and I think chocolate have some bitter. So I favorite a cream. And if you like exercise, what is your favorite movement? Um, Basketball or soccer ball? I like basketball because equal to my hand. I think my foot is slow, so I just can play basketball. How about you? Thank you.